everyone, this is Junaid from HPCS, and in today's video we will have a short discussion on what is actually coding, where it is used in our day-to-day lives, and what are its advantages. Firstly, what is coding? Coding is basically the language of computers. For example, we humans speak hundreds and hundreds of different languages throughout the civilization. Coding can be described as a one single language of computers and how they communicate with each other. Now let's get this thing straight where it is actually used. This coding is used everywhere in technology. If we speak about the technology element, in our social media apps, in our work life, in our day-to-day apps, all the applications which we use, all the social media apps, all have the coding element inside them, and it is integrated in them, and this is actually how these apps and different softwares get developed. So let's have a look on where this coding is actually used and what it is, what different advantages this coding actually has. So coding, programming, is the process of writing instructions for computers using programming languages such as Python, Java, and C++. We are all aware of these basic programs, and they are all developed with the help of coding. Why coding is actually important is also an important question which needs to be answered. This coding is used in all of the day-to-day activities which we use. For example, softwares and programs such as ChatGPT, Gemini, and various other AI elements which we use, they are all based on AI. They all have it built in them, and they are used to answer the customer queries and they are designed to give a different answer to the same question. For example, if I ask a question to ChatGPT, it may give me a different answer as compared to if someone else asks the same question. This is due to the coding which is built inside of them, and it helps to answer the question in a way which is beneficial to the consumer, and it answers according to the behavioral patterns of the people as well. So we discussed what is coding and the basic softwares which it is used in. Why coding is actually important, let's discuss this as well. Coding powers websites, mobile apps, games, artificial intelligence, and modern technology used in daily lives. Just as we discussed right now, this is a crucial element in the technological department, as no application, no software, nothing can actually be built without the help of coding. And this is a rapidly changing thing as well. It is not like it remains constant. As we know, AI is changing at a rapid pace on a day-to-day basis, and there is a huge competition in this field. So people are eagerly trying to develop new codes, new processes which are more efficient and are more customer consumer friendly, and which answer the queries according to the customer requirements. Let's discuss some advantages of this. For example, advantage one could be the problem solving skills. Learning to code improves logical thinking and helps people break complex problems into smaller solutions. The best example of this is ChatGPT. It answers the queries of different customers in the way which the consumer actually wants to hear. If you want an answer which is short and brief, you can ask it to do that. If you want a detailed answer, you can ask it to do it as well. It depends. For example, we use the ChatGPT thing in our work life as well, and the students use it regularly on a day-to-day basis as well. And the ChatGPT answers the questions to the people according to the requirements. This is all done through the help of coding, which helps understand the customer queries in a more effective and efficient manner. And similarly, we have advantage 2 as well, career opportunities. Coding skill opens doors to high demand jobs such as software developer, data scientist, and cybersecurity analyst. We are all aware of this. There's a huge potential and huge growth element present inside the coding as well, and it helps create new job opportunities as well. The third advantage, creativity and innovation. Coding allows you to build apps, websites, games, and tools that can solve the real world problems. We discussed it already. And the last advantage is the automation. With coding, repetitive tasks can be automated, saving time and improving efficiency. So we all discussed these advantages shortly and briefly, and I hope you understood all of these advantages, and I will be seeing you in another video very soon.